Welcome to the magical Woodland Kitchen. Let's make a sparkle pudding with Pingping. In the forest warm and bright, Pingping cooks with pure delight. Berries, milk and magic swirl. In his whisk a wondrous whirl. Mix it, stir it, puff and pop. Pingping's pudding just won't stop. Rainbow sparkles in the air. Magic pudding everywhere. Mix it, stir it, puff and pop. Let's keep going, don't you stop. Oops, he grabbed the wrong old jar. Boom, the sparkles flew so far. Milk and jelly filled the sky. Friends all laughed, oh me, oh my. Mix it, stir it, puff and pop. Pingping's pudding just won't stop. It's a mess but full of cheer. Magic flavors far and near. Mix it, stir it, puff and pop. Learning's fun, let's never stop. It's okay to get things wrong. That's how we grow big and strong. Try again and you will see the yummiest prize recipe. Mix it, taste it, friends around. Sparkle pudding can't be found till you add a spoon of fun. Then it shines for everyone. Mix it, stir it, puff and pop. Pingping's magic, it's tip-top. Feature Nut Pingping says, every mistake can become something magical, especially with friends. See you next time in the Woodland Kitchen.